Faith Path is marketed as an online Christian store offering faith-inspired clothing, jewelry, home decor, books, and gifts. The products are designed to appeal to Christians looking for meaningful items. But the real question is, can you trust this Christian store? Now, to be fair, many online Christian retailers legitimately sell faith-based products and gifts. Having Christian branding doesn't automatically make a store more or less trustworthy. What it does well: faith-inspired products. The store offers a variety of Christian-themed apparel, jewelry, home decor, and gifts. Meaningful gift ideas. Many products feature Bible verses, crosses, or inspirational messages suitable for special occasions. Where the hype falls apart, product quality may vary. The materials, print quality, and craftsmanship may not always match the promotional photos. Shipping times can differ. Depending on where products are manufactured or fulfilled, delivery may take longer than expected. Return policies deserve careful review. Before ordering, check the refund process, return conditions, and any return shipping costs. So, should you buy from Faith Path? Short answer, maybe, but do your research first. If you like the products and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the Christian branding or marketing when deciding whether to buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.